Hey everybody, how you doing? So today we're going to be discussing in this feature video your profile page. Um, Super important because this is sort of the nucleus, the beginning of where everything within the website sort of ties to your profile page and vice versa. And so we'll just go over it just briefly. So what you want to do is hover over network, come down to where it says profile and click on it, and we'll just go over just a few of the features and then just walk you through just setting up your profile page and some of the strength of it. So first thing you'll see is the profile image, and if you don't have one here, you can come down to where it says, if you click on profile, you'll see where it says edit or change your profile photo. And it's simple. Once you click on this button, it will take you through the area where you can change your photo. Then you will scroll down and you select your photo from your hard drive or from someplace on your phone. You also, if you're on your computer or laptop, you can also click on take a photo. You can actually take a photo directly and upload that to your profile area. Okay, the next feature we want to discuss here in the profile section of your profile page is how to beef it up a little bit. In other words, let the world know a little bit more about you or your company or your project or something that you're doing. Okay, so after I clicked on edit, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and there's a section for my name, right? So that we keep that the same. An area that you can write a little bit about yourself if you're operating here as an individual. Your company name if you have one, and we do, so I'm just going to put that in, Debut Media. Click on that. Okay, website, which we have one, so I'm just going to put that in there, debutmedia.com. That's the name of our actual consulting and marketing firm. The email address, so we already have one in there, but I'm going to put a different one. Team at Debut Media. Phone number, we won't do that for now. And maybe you'll write a little bit about your company. So I have something pre-arranged here, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Hit paste. Now, a couple of things before I save it. The other thing that you can do here is in each field area, you can change who can see this section of your profile page just by clicking the change button. So under About Me, if I want it to be private, I can click change to make it private. And you can do that for any section of your profile page that you may not want somebody to see, but you may want to have it in there. So if I wanted to put a phone number here, but I wanted to make sure that it was private, I could do that. And that's fine. So now I'm satisfied that I put in the name of my company, the name of the company, website, email address, and a little bit about our company. Now I'm just going to click Save Changes. And there we go. So now every time someone comes to my profile page and clicks on Profile, so we'll do that and see what it looks like, you'll see the information that I just inputted under name, company name, website address, email, and then a quick little excerpt about what the company's about. And there you go. And you notice that all the other areas, the About Me and a couple of the other sections of the profile page don't show because we didn't type anything in there. Okay, a couple of other things. Activity is an activity feed. Some of you have used Facebook, things of that nature. That's what this section is. It lets you know what's happening minute by minute on the website, whether you're uploading something or somebody else is uploading something. It can be a video, it can be a link, it's some audio, something written, and it shows a chronological history. You can comment on certain things that you may see, make them private, or you can even delete them. Okay, and basically you just come in here and type whatever you like and click post and so on. You also can look at to see any mentions that you may have, how many favorites you have, who are your friends, groups, things of that nature, notifications, messages, friends, groups, forums. You can click here to participate in the forums section of our website, which we'll get into another time. Appointments, this is where you can see all the appointments that you have. How to change the settings. So if you wanted to change, just say your password, we click on settings and you scroll down and you can see you just come down here, change your password. Listings, which we'll get to later. This has to do with the advertising section that you see up here, which we'll get into another time. So the main thing here is that we'll continue to add to the profile page. Pretty soon we're going to add a resume feature where you'll be able to put your resume in, and it'll be attached and associated with a jobs and expert section that we'll have set up, and a number of other features as we continue to develop over the coming days, weeks, and months. So that's a brief overview of your profile page. Thank you so much for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you online.